Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to remove the Telegram account that you have logged into another devices or in your desktop computer. It's very easy, just you need to follow my steps. So let's start the video. Here open the Telegram app first, and now you will see the Telegram homepage. Then tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top left corner. And now here you will see several settings like my profile, new group, contacts, calls, settings, but you have to click on the settings option. And once you tap, you will see the several settings again, but now tap on the devices option that is at the second last. And now here you will see the devices that are linked to your account. Then if you want to remove, so tap on it and tap on Logout option. Following this, you can remove your Telegram account from another devices. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.